Speak up even louder. Is that better? Ah. Right, okay. Oh, right. Okay, yeah. Thank you. Right, I've been told to start again, so we're going to chat more about insurance and I think we'll lead to it again. So, firstly, thank you to Kiro and the team for some incredible cars, helicopters, some cool pieces of artwork, some sort of dinosaur and a 250 GTO, which is awesome. And yes, I am very, very pleased to be here as official insurance sponsor for Cars and Copters. Sloan Private Clients is a broker that's trying to do something new, but it's actually very old-fashioned. We are going back to the old client service, one-to-one. If you insure with Sloan Private Clients, when you have an account handler, you get to know who gets to know you, she gets to know you, and you look after and understand your lifestyle, and find you the right insurance package. It's not just about insurance, it's actually about mitigating risk.